honey, lemon, pepper, chicken thighs. This is not just some recipe. This right here is an experience. I'm letting you know. Let's get into the recipe. So we are gonna begin with 6 bone-in chicken thighs. I just drizzled a little bit of oil on them, and you know we gotta rub it in like so. Moving on, we gotta hit it with that base coat, baby. On the screen I have displayed everything you need to season up your chicken oh so proper, and it will be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to. Make sure your chicken is well coated up, something like this, and if it ain't, send it back to the kitchen where it came from. All right, once you have your chicken well seasoned up like this, it is time to toss these bad boys in the air fryer. We're gonna drop them in skin side up, just like so, and we're gonna let it go on the first side for about 15 minutes at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. And once that time is up, you're gonna go ahead and flip it. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna work on that delicious honey, lemon, pepper sauce, baby. Go ahead and melt down about half a stick of some unsalted butter. We're gonna add in a little bit of chicken broth to get that nice consistency that we're looking for. We're gonna toss in our lemon pepper seasoning. I'm using Lawry's if you do wanna know. And last but not least, we're gonna toss in some honey, baby. You're gonna go ahead and mix everything together. Let it come up to a little bit of a simmer, and your sauce is pretty much done. It is time to flip over our chicken. They are looking wonderful so far. Go ahead and give them a flip just like so, and we're gonna let it go for an additional 5 minutes or so at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is how you should be looking once your chicken are fully cooked. They are looking spectacular. They taste even better, okay? Better than they look. They are amazing as is, but we gotta take it to the next level with that honey lemon pepper sauce that we're gonna drop right on top of this chicken right now. Oh my goodness, stop playing with me. Does this look good or what? Go ahead and drop that sauce right over the top of your chicken thighs like so. Sprinkle a little bit of freshly chopped parsley to garnish, and my oh my, are you ready to plate up and bust down? Come on now, this right here, man, chef kiss. It was so darn good. I can't even find the words, guys. It was amazing. All right, I'll just leave it at that. It was freaking amazing. Go ahead and try this if you haven't already. You will not regret it. Everybody will love it. Trust and believe me. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all on the next video. Deuces.